Set in Idaho's Sawtooth National Recreation Area, Pettit Lake was once a breeding ground for Snake River sockeye salmon. In the 1960s, a new barrier blocked the lake outlet, cutting off the species' 900-mile migration route to the Pacific Ocean. While at one time 150,000 sockeye salmon returned to central Idaho every 2 years, by 1990 just 4 returned. With the fish on the verge of extinction, the Shoshone-Bannock tribes led an effort to list the Snake River sockeye salmon as an endangered species. The new WEIR sets the species on a new path, with an innovative design to help biologists tag and gather data on both juvenile and adult fish before they grow in Pettit Lake. The design handles increased water flows with a precast concrete and weathered steel structure that simplified construction, avoids collecting debris, and blends seamlessly into the natural surrounding. The design and construction team collaborated with the Shoshone-Bannock Tribe, Bonneville Power Association, and several state and federal agencies. By creating a healthy future for the sockeye, a new WEIR marks a critical restoration point for the tribes and region's biological and cultural heritage.